study about tissues is called histology. Today we are going to discuss about the branches of zoology. Record it, madam. Today we are going to discuss about the branches of zoology. There is a taxonomy. Taxonomy is nothing but the identification of an organism. After identifying, giving name to the organism and keeping animal in a particular phylum is called taxonomy. Tax is arrangement according to its characteristic features is called taxonomy. Morphology is of two types. Morphology is nothing but the study about its characteristic features of an organism. How it is, what is the shape of an organism and the size and the color of an organism, how the body parts are arranged, systems are arranged inside the body. That is called external morphology and internal morphology is there. External morphology, study about size, shape, color. Internal morphology is of two types, histology and anatomy. Study about tissues, microscopic structure of tissues. If you study about the microscopic structure of an organism, microscopic structure of an organism is called histology. It is also, histology is also called, it is otherwise called microanatomy. It is otherwise called microanatomy. Histology is otherwise called microanatomy. Next, the anatomy. Anatomy is nothing but the how the structures arranged, digestive systems which are arranged in our body. How the systems which are arranged in our body. Arrangement of body parts in our body. Systems how they are arranged in our body. That is called anatomy. That is the internal morphology. Internal morphology, how the systems are arranged in our body. That is called internal morphology. So okay, taxonomy, morphology. Here very important for the 2 marks is histology. Study about tissues or microscopic structure of an organism. 2 marks, it is otherwise called microanatomy. It is otherwise called microanatomy. Very important. 2 marks. This is important for the 2 marks. Physiology. What is physiology? Physiology is nothing but the functions of the, here we were discussed about the structures, the systems which are arranged in our body, that is called anatomy. Physiology is nothing but what is physiology? Nothing but the how the systems which are functioning, chemical functioning and the functioning of the systems. If you study about the functioning of our body is called physiology. Next we will go to the genetics. Study about genes or study about inheritance of characters. Or simply we call study about genes is called, it is a branch of biology. Study about genes, how they are inheriting from the parents to offspring. If you study how the inheritance, study about the inheritance of characters. Study about the inheritance of characters from the parents to offspring is called genetics. How the inheritance of characters are taking place. This is called genetics. Next, cell biology. Cell biology is nothing but the study about the cell. Yesterday I was discussed about the cell is the structural and functional unit. Study about cell. And cell organelles. Cell and its cell organelles. Cell organelles is called cell biology. Cell biology is nothing but the study about the cell and its cell organelles. Cell is the structural and functional unit. Ikkada manaki structural and functional unit. Here in this Cell is the structure. Cell organelles also we discuss. Cell organelles. What are the cell organelles? Mitochondria or the cell. Mitochondria is a cell organelle. Endoplasmic reticulum. ER endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes. Lysosomes. So these are all the cell organelles. Go through the cell and study about the cell. This is the cell biology. Next, paleontology. Paleontology. Study about the remnants of the past. Study about the remnants of the past. Study about remnants which are remained, remnants of the past. Remnants of the past. For example, we don't know dinosaur. We don't know dinosaur actually. How we know the dinosaur? By the excavations. By the excavation. That is nothing but the మనం ఎక్కడైనా తవ్వకాలు కనుక జరిగేటప్పుడు ఏదైనా యానిమల్ కానీ ఏదైనా పాత వస్తువులు కానీ మనకి కనబడితే దాని యొక్క చరిత్రను తెలుసుకోవడమే యాక్చువల్గా మనం ఎస్పెషల్లీ ప్యాలియోంటాలజీ అనేటటువంటి దాన్ని ఓన్లీ స్టడీ అబౌట్ ద యానిమల్ రెమనెంట్స్. సో అదేవిధంగా ప్లాంట్ రెమనెంట్స్ కూడా చదవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యాలియోబాటనీ. ఇఫ్ యూ స్టడీ అబౌట్ ద రెమనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద animals, that is called paleozoology. Paleobotany, paleozoology, study about the remnants of the past is called or the study about fossils and kuda easy ga rayali ante study about fossils is called study about fossils is called the fossils are nothing but the remnants of the animals, so which are present in the layers of the earth, that is called paleontology. Next, embryology. The events that leads to fertilization. Study about study about embryo. Study about embryo and its development. Embryo and its development is called embryology. అలా కాకుండా స్టడీ అబౌట్ ద ఈవెంట్స్ that leads to fertilization, cleavage and the development process, how there is a development of an organism. Fertilization, cleavage and its development, if you study, that is called developmental. It is also called developmental biology. Embryology is also called developmental biology. Next, evolution. Evolution is nothing but there is a change, continuous change which takes place. Say from the thousands of years onwards, there is a change which is taking place in the nature, that is called evolution. Study about the change process, that is called evolution. It is a branch of biology. Study about the how there is a change takes place in the gene recombinations. If you study the gene recombinations, that is called evolution. Study about the changes which occur in the gene, that is called evolution. Okay, evolution is nothing but study about the changes which takes place in the nature. Next, ecology. Study about an organism, how it is related with other organism and its environment. Study about an organism. And its relation with other organism. వేరే ఆర్గానిజమ్స్తో ఏ విధంగా అదర్ యానిమల్స్లో ఏ విధంగా అండ్ ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ study about an organism in its relation with other organisms or with the environment or with the surrounding environment. How it is responding is called the ecology. Ecology is nothing but study about an organism in relation with other organism or with the environment is called ecology. Ecology. Ethology. Study about animal behavior. Study about animal behavior. Study about animal behavior is called ethology. Study about animal behavior is called ethology. This is about the branches of study about animal behavior. Study about animal behavior is called ethology. Now I will give whole branches taxonomy, morphology, physiology, cell biology or cytology, genetics, evolution, embryology, evolution, paleontology, ethology. Morphology lo again two types చెప్తున్నాను. histology. Morphology lo internal morphology, histology very important. histology very important. histology లో అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్యాలియంటాలజీ 2 మార్క్స్ కి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్యాలియంటాలజీ and the histology is very important for the 2 marks here also. అంటే here 2 marks కి ఇంపార్టెంట్. అదే విధంగా నిన్న చెప్పిన దాంట్లో yesterday what I have discussed is the biogenesis లో life comes from life formation takes place. Life comes from life is biogenesis very important. Genesis is nothing but the birth. Bio is nothing but the life. Life comes from, that is the life which takes place. Birth takes place from the life. That is called the life comes from life. That is called biogenesis. 2 marks question ఇది కూడా 2 marks కడగొచ్చున్నాను. This is about the branches of zoology very important. 2 marks ki paleontology important. Study about fossils. That is అదే విధంగా వీటిని remnants of the past, the remnants, animal remnants which are remain in the layers of the earth. If you study, that is called paleontology. Histology, study about tissues. It is otherwise called microanatomy అని ఇందాక చెప్పాను, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. microanatomy. Okay.